Hi, my name is Parek and I've had gynecomastia since puberty. Earlier it was not noticeable and I used to not pay much attention to it, but after growing up and getting to college, it was quite noticeable. It was quite a noticeable bulge, and I used to feel embarrassed doing outdoor related activities such as running, jogging, swimming, etc. And this brought my confidence down a lot. So, after completing the college and moving to Delhi NCR, due to my job requirements, I decided to research upon this topic more and stumble upon gynecomastia. And after reading numerous reviews and positive reviews, I stumbled upon Dr. Ashish Khare and Kalosa Cosmetics and his team. So I decided to consult them on this my status, and I was informed that I had grade 3 gynecomastia. So I decided to go for the surgery and underwent it appointed time. I was discharged next day and had to wear a post-surgery compression garment. During these 2 months, I got continuous engagement from Dr. Ashish and his team about my situation, and I completed the various coursework needed and required. So this is me at 5 months post surgery. Now I feel great wearing clothes that I want, moving in front of people without getting random stares, without feeling embarrassed. And this brought my confidence up a lot. In the end, because of positive experiences, I would like to recommend Dr. Ashish Khare and Kalosa Cosmetics for gynecomastia, and my experience was very positive. Please give a consultation as well.